Welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you here from Westlake Village, California. And I'm going to get into this chart before I get distracted with another trade setup, as there are many on the board right now. And I'm going to bring our attention to a new indicator I'm using called Market Cipher B. Just started using it. And, well, simply put, we're going to confirm some bullish divergences here. And I think Bitcoin has a chance to float a bit higher. We are coming into the daily green 55. I'm going to change my candles back around so it looks normal to me. And just want to, take a look at where those potential stop and reverse points are going to be, because like we said, from our previous videos, we're expecting a bounce to come out of this region. And the question is lower, higher, not, and can we clear the $65,000 mark? That's going to be the line in the sand. And likely we're going to come up into that area going into the 18th, or our little election, our rate cut decision time, which is coming in on the 18th. So where do the bull traps and the bear traps happen? Well, right here at the 618 or the 786, generally in this zone. So I'm going to put a big fat box here, and I'm going to take a look at this Market Cipher B, which is printing those bullish divergences, prices making lower lows, and the momentum waves are making higher lows, which is nice. Generally looking for some sell pressure at that white 200 simple on the first pass, and probably some sell pressure on the 0.5 at 61,367. But it looks like open interest is going to be, what is open interest doing here on the daily time frame? Curious. So as open interest has been coming down, right? The price has been coming down. Wow, since way back over here. That's interesting. Very interesting. Just an interesting side note. As open interest is coming down, so shorts are getting squeezed there. Price is going up, right? So little lesson here. So let's say you're going short right here, bang, stopped out, and so shorts got liquidated, price comes down. Then we've got open interest continuing to come down as we're coming into this area right here. I'm just taking a look here. Obviously, the shorts got squeezed again here. Open interest comes down. Okay, when do the longs step in? Right here. Longs getting liquidated. Boom. Okay. And open interest is gradually making its way onwards and upwards. So I would say that is more the bull case. We want to see open interest come up as the price is going up. What we don't want to see is open interest to come down as the price is going up. That means distribution. All right. So we'll be keeping a keen eye upon that. And just another side note, as I was looking at this and kind of using this indicator here, and this is actually the area where a sell would get put in. I might as well end those profits. I had a very good trade. And the way this kind of indicator is working, these momentum waves, these money flow waves, this is the money flow, the red and the green. And as the money flow goes into Bitcoin, you expect price to go up. And it also gives you a time zone, right? So essentially it's a similar time flow. And now we're getting the red dot, bearish divergence, and time to flip short, guys. Time to flip short. All right, I'm calling this short for the short term. Weekend fade back down to 59,100. That's what I'd be looking to see. And if open interest comes down as price comes down, you'd say longs are taking profits, and that's probably exactly what you're going to see. So summing up my thoughts here, going into the rate hike decision. And I heard today they're considering 75 basis points. Things are a lot worse than they foretold. That would make the market bullish. But what we want to see is a higher low in this area. Come grab the liquidity and make a higher low, above 61,000. We can get as low as that. But essentially, wherever this tops out, this next high, right, we'll be looking for a higher low to kind of confirm that upside continuation pattern. That being said, guys, no rush. I know the FOMO feeling is real. I know it is real, but there's plenty of time and plenty of trade setups out there. Make sure you check in with us next week as we will be taking a look at the liquidity for not only Mr. Coty, which had a massive run today, but Bitcoin. I want to say where the heat map is saying, oh, look at that. Look at that bright little golden nugget, 60,848, 61,000, call it 60,900. I do believe Bitcoin is going to make an assault at that level. So the question is, can we make a higher low in this area, or do we lose the point of control on the daily time frame? Which the POC, which, let's see if I can draw this out. Come on, don't fail me now. Don't fail me now, indicators. Something's not working. It's not letting me double click in. Did something get locked? Oh, that's why. Here we go. Here we go. Point of control. Bang. POC coming in at 67,000 bucks. I think some people are drawing it differently. But we should get the whole range, right? And perhaps all the way down to this level right here. Boom. Yeah, I like that better. So from this low, yeah. Is that correct? No, I think it's just using this low. So 65,000 is that point of control. We need to get above that level and hold for Bitcoin to get bullish again. So short term, does this get faded? We're coming to the green 55. The volatility is going to be low. How low can she go? Let's see on my other magical chart. Yes, indeed. A lot of things lining up. Lots of points of confluence coming in at 63,892. Volatility just ticking up, and if we do get a little backfill, right, I would be looking to grab entries off the 382 coming in at 57,490. 57,490. Any kind of higher low in that region looking good. And do we get as low as 55,000? Maybe. But I would be guessing that people are going to catch this trade to the upside along with the stock market. Is NASDAQ making new all-time highs yet? Not yet. And the squeeze continues to the upside for traditional markets. And total market cap looking good, getting a big bounce up in that green 55. Dixie is coming down. That's good for traditional markets. Japanese yen going up, dollar going down, and CME's closed the week tomorrow. Tomorrow, the weekly closure. And momentum is on the floor. So we could dance around here and chop sideways again for another week or so. The 18th is that date. We'll be following along and just staying in line with our overall beautiful bias. Our overall beautiful bias that, let's see if I can load up some of my other charts here. Oh, what was that? What was that? The robot slave taking over. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I will take it. I will take it. I will take that profit. I think, yeah, we nailed it today. Okay. Back into the chart here, and Sundog had a massive move. Oh, my goodness. Short that, baby. Let's short me some Sundog. What was that move? Somebody bought $1 billion worth of Sundog. Very, very good. Somebody likes Justin Tron. Supercoin. Absolutely getting faded here finally. Drooping it on down. And that would be my next target for Super. Bitcoin. Yeah, I think it's time to flip it around short, guys. Short-term move back down to that. This is the chart. This is the chart I wanted to see. And this is the one that we had drawn out just weeks ago. We put this little yellow box in here, right, way before this low. And now that we're above the midline, that short-term target at 61.3 looks good. For a little follow-through on this daily candle closure coming in about 38 minutes. Holy smokes, the day is over. Today is Thursday. I hope you guys all have a blessed and highly favored rest of your week. Make sure you sign up on our exchange, Blowfin, our new favorite exchange. Check out the link in the description below. There's some new stuff coming up soon, so I just recommend everybody get an account, fund it with something like $100, get going here soon before you miss out. Before you miss out on those new opportunities in cryptocurrency land. Do we want to go over anything else short term? I think we went over it, guys. We're closing above the midline. So a retest of this for a higher low, as long as we do not take out yesterday's or today's low, I would look for some upside continuations. Thank you very much, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.